to day number 5 of the Ceremonial Grade Cacao course. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about cocoa versus cacao, or raw cacao, Ceremonial Grade Cacao. To get the full 10-part course, make sure you head to our website, tribalmooncacao.com, and just sign up on the mailing list and get it emailed to your inbox. And be sure to help us to get this information to as many epic tribe around the world as possible. Subscribe to our channel and please leave a comment below. Okay guys, so cacao versus cocoa. Firstly, the main difference, cacao, raw cacao, ceremonial grade cacao is unmodified. So any cocoa, powdered form cocoa, often powdered form cacao that you'll see at the supermarket and these sorts of things, it's highly modified. It's been modified with #1 temperature. So when raw cacao gets above a certain temperature, like e.g. modifying into a powder, it loses all its goodness. As well as that, it's often modified by adding other things to it. So raw cacao, on the other hand, is unmodified. So it's known like kind of taking a whole cup of minerals, you know, your iron, your calcium, your magnesium, potassium, all of these things. So it's a huge reset to our natural state of being. So compared to acai, blueberries, green tea, all of these things, cacao is next level. It's like taking a huge supplement of minerals and vitamins, and you can't find this anywhere else, guys. You speak to all these amazing health practitioners around the world, and they're all like, cacao, the superfood of all superfoods. Cacao is also full of anandamide. Now this is responsible for making you feel awesome. It's a chemical that the body naturally produces, but cacao causes the body to produce a whole lot more. So this is that feeling of bliss, that feeling of being at peace, and also the feeling of being in love, that feeling of falling in love and being in love. That's that profound heart-opening capacity of cacao, and why people use it in these amazing ceremonies and these things to really drop into those feelings. It's because of the anandamide. This is also why it's so popular with mental health. People with anxiety and depression, this is the main reason why people are coming for ceremonial grade cacao, because it makes them feel this incredible sense of peace and happiness and joy and abundance and all these great things. Now personally guys, I literally get emails from people almost every day that are using cacao now as an alternative to sometimes pharmaceuticals that they've been on for many years. And this is huge. This is life-changing stuff, guys. So please share with everyone you can. Now one of the other main differences, guys, is the taste and the way, the form in which it comes in. So our ceremonial grade cacao comes in these packages, and inside is these chunks of cacao, okay? So as you've seen in my other videos of how to prepare and all the amazing things, cakes, cookies, bliss balls, ceremonies, smoothies, the ceremonial hot cacao recipes, all these things, there's so much you can do. But the taste kicks butt. It's so smooth and so strong and so incredible that there's no comparison. Now I've got some really cool videos coming up in this series, guys, especially when it relates to anandamide for, you know, kids and well-being, health and depression, anxiety, these things, but also relating to sacred sexuality, love making, and tuning with your beloved, and the profound effects that I've experienced myself and a lot of our clients and people from around the world have experienced. So I'm looking forward to sharing all that with you. Again, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.